The future is here, and it's immersive. Picture this: a world where you can travel to distant places, hang out with friends, shop, attend concerts, and even run your business, all without leaving your home. Welcome to the Metaverse, a digital universe where reality blends with technology, and everything you do online is more vivid, more interactive, and more connected than ever before. But what exactly is the Metaverse? And, more importantly, how will it impact your life, your work, and your leisure? In today's video, we're going to explore the Metaverse's potential to reshape entertainment, social media, and business. We'll dive deep into how this new reality is developing and how you can start interacting with it right now. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of why the Metaverse isn't just a buzzword, but a game-changing digital frontier that's coming to all of us sooner than we think. Let's break this down. The term Metaverse was first coined in Neil Stephenson's 1992 science fiction novel Snow Crash, where it described a virtual reality space where people could interact with each other and the computer-generated environment around them. Fast forward to today, and we're closer than ever to bringing that vision to life. The Metaverse is a collective, immersive virtual space created by the convergence of physical reality with digital environments. Imagine a universe where everything you experience in the real world, social interactions, work, play, shopping, entertainment, can be experienced virtually, but with a much higher level of interaction and engagement. It's more than just a game. It's a fully functional, interconnected digital universe where real and virtual life meet. This digital realm isn't confined to a single platform or game. The Metaverse is essentially a network of interconnected virtual worlds that exist in parallel to our physical reality, accessible through virtual reality, VR, or augmented reality, AR devices. And it's rapidly expanding across sectors like gaming, social media, business, entertainment, and education. One of the most exciting aspects of the Metaverse is its potential to revolutionize the entertainment industry. If you've ever played a massively multiplayer online game, MMO, like Fortnite or World of Warcraft, you've already experienced a slice of the Metaverse. But imagine taking that experience to the next level, not just with better graphics or more players, but with an environment that you can actually live in. In the Metaverse, you'll be able to attend live concerts, sporting events, or film premieres in real time. You could be sitting front row at a concert in Fortnite, interacting with other fans, or even attending a virtual theater performance where the actors are digital avatars. The Metaverse takes entertainment beyond watching on a screen. It's about being fully immersed and part of the action. Popular musicians like Travis Scott have already performed live in virtual concerts within Fortnite, attracting millions of fans who could interact with each other during the performance. This isn't just a gimmick. It's a new form of entertainment, one where virtual worlds offer endless possibilities for engagement and interaction. In the future, you could even create your own virtual space for gaming, streaming, or watching movies with friends. Let's talk about social media. For the past 20 years, platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter have reshaped how we connect with one another. But they're limited. We're still interacting through text, images, and videos, traditional 2D mediums. The Metaverse will change that. Instead of scrolling through posts or liking pictures, imagine stepping into a fully immersive social environment where you can hang out with friends in virtual spaces. You could host parties, meet new people, attend social events, or even interact with celebrities in ways that go far beyond what current social media platforms allow. Your virtual avatar becomes your online persona, and it's much more than just a profile picture. Platforms like Meta, formerly Facebook, are already investing billions of dollars into creating these virtual spaces where you can live your social media life in 3D. Whether it's a casual chat, attending a meeting, or catching up with family from across the world, the Metaverse will make socializing more lifelike, engaging, and enjoyable. The Metaverse isn't just about fun and games, it's also going to reshape the business world. Imagine a world where you can have face-to-face meetings with colleagues or clients, even if they're on the other side of the world. No more long commutes or video conference fatigue. Instead, you can step into a fully immersive virtual office and collaborate in real time. Companies are already setting up virtual storefronts in the metaverse, offering products and services in new ways. Think about virtual stores where you can browse, try on clothes with your avatar, and make purchases, all from the comfort of your home. High-end brands, from Gucci to Nike, are already entering the metaverse, launching virtual fashion lines and products for avatars. Furthermore, businesses can host virtual conferences, trade shows, and expos, where attendees can network, learn, and engage in a more immersive and interactive way. The metaverse also provides opportunities for new types of employment and entrepreneurship, from creating virtual goods and services to offering VR-based experiences. In essence, the metaverse will open up an entirely new economy, driven by digital goods and services. You might be thinking, this all sounds amazing, but how do I get started? Good news! You don't have to wait for the metaverse to be fully realized to begin your journey into this new digital world. Virtual reality, VR, headsets. While you don't need a VR headset to experience parts of the metaverse, using one offers the most immersive experience. Devices like the Oculus Quest 2 allow you to dive into VR games, social environments, and virtual worlds. Explore virtual worlds. Platforms like Roblox, Decentraland, and VRChat are already creating metaverse-like experiences. These are great places to start exploring, meeting new people, and even attending virtual events. Create your avatar. Personalize your virtual self. Many metaverse platforms allow you to create and customize an avatar that represents you in the digital world. You can interact, play, and explore the virtual space with this avatar. Buy digital goods. The metaverse is powered by digital assets. Platforms like OpenSea allow you to buy and sell NFTs, non-fungible tokens, virtual real estate, and other digital goods. These assets will have value in the metaverse, and owning them could even open up new income streams. The metaverse is still in its early stages, and there's no doubt that it will continue to evolve over the next few years. As technology improves, we'll see better graphics, more interactive experiences, and more ways for people to engage. The lines between the physical and digital worlds will continue to blur, creating a new reality where anything is possible. The question isn't, will the metaverse be a big part of the future? It's, how will you be a part of it? Whether it's for entertainment, socializing, business, or education, the metaverse offers endless opportunities. And the time to get involved is now. The rise of the metaverse is more than just a trend. It's a revolution in how we experience the digital world. With advancements in technology, the way we interact with each other, consume entertainment, and conduct business is rapidly changing. The metaverse is the next frontier, and it's already happening. So, are you ready to dive in? Whether you're a gamer, a creator, a business professional, or just someone looking for a new way to connect, the metaverse offers an exciting world of possibilities. The future is here, and it's waiting for you.